So today the market's gapped up on some good news and we got an unexpected rip to the upside. I took quite a few scalps today and I did not lose on any of them, but I got out at break even on 2 of them and the other 2 trades were just small winners, so nothing too crazy, but it's still a good day overall. So enjoy the live trading. I just went long on the Qs. We're bouncing off the retracement. If we reject hard, I'm just going to get out of this. Still holding above pre-market highs. I'd like to see a big pump here. There's a break of the highs. I think if we get below, I don't know, here maybe. I sold there for break even, but the contracts just did not move. It's kind of frustrating that I feel like I bought here and sold here and made nothing, but I think there will be an opportunity to get long again. Apple looks like a bull flag here. I'm going to take Apple long. Apple's right at high day. Can it pop this candle? There's a nice push. I'm going to try and hold this. See, it looks like Apple could fill this gap. Come on, Apple. I'd like to see another push upwards, and then I'd like to take profits. See, there's just no reason to sell, but I'm scared it's going to get pulled back in pretty hard. The SPY and the Qs are pushing pretty hard. Yeah, I'm getting out. Just went long on SPY. I'm not willing to risk a lot on this. Looks like we're getting some upside movement. This is going to be a scalp and nothing more. We got a nice fill on this trade. Okay, we're getting some nice movement. I'd like to see if we can break high day. If not, I will get out. I'm getting out. I just got short on SPY. This is also going to be a quick scalp, but we're starting to roll over a little bit, and I'd like to take advantage of that. Yeah, that's it for me. So now to break down these trades. Now my first trade is on QQQ, again the 2-minute chart. And these 2 lines here were very important. These 2 lines are Fibonacci retracement levels from this area of confluence. It was kind of like the pre-market low to the pre-market high. And once you draw that, from here to here, this line is the 61.8% retracement. And you'll notice that we held that really, really well. Now the first move off the open was down, which I typically like, and then we got a big move up, and it was off that retracement, so right around here, as we were about to break the pre-market high, I went long, thinking that there would be some follow-through to the upside, and sure enough there was. Now I'm sure you saw in the video my contracts were very cheap and they really didn't move hardly at all. But as soon as these new funds settle, I'm going to start trading better contracts. So this trade actually turned out to be break even because I sold right around here. But had I held, obviously I would have made a few more bucks. And the second trade was on Apple, and this one was pretty straightforward. This was a pretty simple bull flag pattern. I trade these all the time. And as soon as we were approaching the high of this candle right here, the tape was speeding up and I thought there would be some room to the upside, so I went long right here. And we got a nice push to the upside, and as soon as we started to pull back in a little bit, I got shaken out of the trade and I sold for a small win. And yeah, I think that was the right idea for this trade because it pulled back pretty hard. Now I did miss the retest of pre-market highs. As you can see, we touched the pre-market high, which is this line, basically to the exact penny. But I think at this point I had my focus on SPY and the Qs, so yeah, I did not take advantage of that trade. Now I did have a couple more scalps on SPY, but they were really nothing big. I really don't want to break them down into too much detail, but basically I saw we pulled back again, and if we break this down to the 5-minute time frame, you'll notice that we basically touched the 9 EMA on the 5-minute 2 times in a row and bounced off of it. So right around here I went long, and unfortunately I kind of got shaken out of this trade and I didn't hold it even up to these highs, so that was a really small win. And then I went short right around here and I basically got a small move in my favor, and then it bottom wicked, and I got out from pretty much break even. And yeah, that was my only trades for the day. So if we go and take a look at the account, we're up just a few bucks today, and yeah, I'm still waiting for the rest of these funds to settle. You can see the funds haven't really gone through. This is still from when I was trading like last week. But yeah, just a few more days, I should have exactly this much buying power to use, which is exciting. So thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed the live trading, and let me know what you traded today, or give me some advice or feedback. I really like getting comments on these videos, so if you have any thoughts, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. But yeah, I'm super excited for the new year, and my goal is going to be to post at least 3 of these recap videos per week. And I really want to try and grow the channel this year and become a part of the trading community on YouTube. So it would really mean a lot to me if you hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.